Hello everyone. The main objective of this video is to describe the structure of a prokaryotic cell. Actually, not all prokaryotic cells have exactly the same components. However, all prokaryotic cells share at least 5 components. And these components that are always present in a prokaryotic cell are, first of all, the plasma membrane, which is also called the cell membrane. This membrane is found in all cells, and it separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. Now, the next component is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is actually a thick solution that fills each cell, and it is enclosed by the plasma membrane, as you can see. The cytoplasm contains water, salts, proteins, and all the minerals that the cell needs. The third component found in a prokaryotic cell is the cell wall. The cell wall is a structural layer that surrounds the plasma membrane, and in prokaryotic cells, the cell wall is usually strengthened with polysaccharide chains, which will provide the cell with structural support and protection. The fourth component found in all prokaryotic cells is the ribosomes. Ribosomes are usually needed for protein synthesis. They are also found in eukaryotic cells. However, in prokaryotic cells, they are smaller. The last component found in all prokaryotic cells is the genetic material, or DNA. In the case of prokaryotic cells, the DNA takes a circular shape, so you can say it is a loop of DNA without ends. And this is the main difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. As we all know, eukaryotic cells' DNA is usually found in the nucleus, while the prokaryotic cell's DNA is usually found in the cytoplasm. So overall, these are the 5 components that are always present in a prokaryotic cell. However, some prokaryotes may contain other components. These components may be a flagellum, which is a protein fiber used for cell movement. So some prokaryotics have this flagellum, tail-like shape, coming out from the plasma membrane in order to allow the cell movement. In addition, some prokaryotes may have a capsule or a slime layer, which is a sticky secretion that protects and helps the cells stick together. So some prokaryotic cells have a third layer around the cell wall, which is this slime layer that will provide the cell with protection and helps cells stick together as mentioned. Moreover, some prokaryotes may have a plasmid, which is a small circular DNA. Usually, it is not involved with cell metabolism or growth. However, the genes found in the plasmids provide the prokaryotes or bacteria with genetic advantages, such as antibiotic resistance. Moreover, some prokaryotes may also contain myosomes, which are enfoldings from the cell membrane that will provide a large surface area for the chemical reactions that are associated with cellular respiration. And we all know that cellular respiration is a process that breaks down food to release energy. So myosomes will provide the surface area for respiration to take place. Finally, we have the pili that are short hair-like structures on the surface of the plasma membrane.